Okay, for this problem, is a particle is traveling along the parabolic path. Okay, we know the path already. Y equal to 0.25 x squared, and if x equal to 2t square meter, and where t is time in second, and we would like to determine the magnitude of the particle velocity and acceleration when time equal to 2 seconds. Okay, this problem we have the part. The part is the y equal to function of x. It is a function of x. That's y equal to 0.25 x squared. And we know that the position x is depend on time. So then y is depend on time also when we substitute x into y. Okay, so for this case, okay, we may find the velocity and acceleration of this particle that's moving along this path by directly take differentiate to this each term. Okay, that is for actually we may write the position vector that is r equal to x I plus yj. But for this case, we will solve it in scalar form. That is vx for the velocity in x component is the x, the derivative of x with respect to time. So the symbolic term that is x dot. Dot is mean d by dt, that is the first derivative to time. Okay, so then x dot is mean dx by dt. Okay, so for dx by dt, we know that x is equal to 2t squared. So then dx by dt is become 4t. But for y, vy is what? Okay, we know that y is equal to 0.25 x squared, right? Okay, but x is equal to 2t squared. Okay, that is to become square, right? Okay, so then this should be 0.25. Okay, times 4 times t power 4. Okay, that is when we take the first derivative to this term, we got 0.25 times 4 and times 4 and t power 3. Okay, so for this case, 0.25 actually it is 104, right? That is for this term we get vy is become 4t power 3. Okay, and then for time equal to 2 seconds, we substitute time equal to 2 seconds into both equation, and we get vx here, and vy is become 32 meter per second, and the total velocity is become 33 meter per second. Okay, and also for the case of acceleration, we have vx dot that is equal to 4t. So then ax is become meter per second. Okay, and for ay, that is the first derivative to velocity in y direction. Okay, in y direction, that is we have y dot is become 4 3 cube. Okay, so then we take the first derivative again, we have this term. Okay, and when time equal to 2 seconds, we obtain ax and ay here, and then as we can determine for the total acceleration and total velocity here, and that's complete this problem.